afternoon, everyone. Nag-ready na lang ako ng speech para wala akong makalimutan. Oo, mahaba to. Please bear with me. So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Joy, the maid of honor, the blessed twin sister ng ating beautiful bride. From the very beginning, we've shared everything. A womb, a birthday, isang kwarto, and most importantly, a lifetime of memories. You know that as we grow older, we've become sweeter and we understand each other more unlike when we were kids. Always fighting and pulling each other's hair. Tanong pa nga sa akin ng iba, anong feeling daw ng may kakambal? Ang totoo, may time na malungkot, may iyakan, may away. Ayun lang po. Hindi ko na matapos. So, ayun. But most importantly, magbabate at magkakaayos in the end. Growing up with May wasn't just a blessing. It was like having a built-in best friend, therapist, partner in crime, and sometimes a mirror that showed my best and worst me. You've always been the braver one kahit mas panganay ako sa'yo. You are also a dreamer. Every time may late night talks tayo, hindi mawawala yung word na sana sa pag-uusap natin. And of course, you are the one who also made my life an adventure. And today, I see you stepping into the next chapter of your life with that same fearless heart, hand in hand with someone who clearly adores you. Yung hindi mo kailangan magpanggap kung sino yung totoong ikaw. Yung totoong May.
Usahin ka na lang.
Yung tanggap ka ng buong buo. At alam mo yan, baby. Watching you fall in love is one of the best feeling I've ever had. Actually, naka-ready ako naman akong tissue dito. Ay, sa'yo pala. Watching you fall in love is one of the best feeling I've ever had. Sinasabi ko pa nga sa iba dati. Okay lang na wala akong love life. Basta masaya ka. Pero ngayon, meron naman akong love life. Kaya masaya kayo. I love. Ganun kasi kita ka, love. Hindi ko kaya na makita ka na nasasaktan. Kaya thank you at dumating ang taong para sa'yo. And you know and we know na Paul is your answered prayer. To Paul,